family. So I have been working on the rig today. Got my paint in here, man. I've been taping it off. Just painting myself, you know what I mean, with the Rust-Oleum white. Turned out great. I'm just rattle canning it, you know, making it look a whole lot more better. I got to go and get me 2 more cans, I believe, to finish this back door. I'm just gonna, really I need 1, but I'm just gonna get 2. That way if I can walk around anything I say I need to do some touch up, I got to finish this door here and finish that. So I know 1 can to do a big can, but I'm gonna just get 2. That way I can touch up some stuff. Something I learned too, when you're using that Rust-Oleum, always spray it out first, man, because like I use this, it gives a rough texture at first. It'll spit out, and if you do that a couple times, then it'll smooth out, and then it'll go on and paint the whole time. So when I first started, I had that happen. Took me a little bit, so I had to fix that. But I see what the issue is with this. The paint pretty is good, but you have to spray. It seems like when you first fire it up, it's like it gums up at the end or something. I don't know, but turned out good. Like I say, I'm out here doing this. About to take the tape off of this side, finish it, and hey, we getting a HogOn today, man. So you got to utilize what you got, keep things going, and that way you can keep getting the bag. HogOn.